What we're going to do is we're going to clean the pad, and I'm going to use the same cleanup that we've been using to do the floor. So what I'll do is I'll set this to a mist, and we're going to spray the pad down. And then we'll take it outside and we'll clear out the water and we'll be ready to go. Okay. Show this side. All right, so there's our pad cleaned out that we used. We're going to use it again now to finish the floor.